Greetings! How to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in Kansas, United States. Welcome, I am Emre, the webmaster of Cryptocurrencyusa.net. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrency for investors living in Kansas, United States. How to deposit money on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy cryptocurrency. You can find answers to all your questions in this video. Just follow the steps in the video. In the description section, you can use 20% commission kickback link and codes. Now, this is our website, Cryptocurrencyusa.net. You can get all information about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrency news, how to buy cryptocurrency, how to buy Bitcoin with credit card, where to buy Bitcoin, videos and news. It's so easy. Now, we should go this page, list of top cryptocurrencies. In this page, we can get all informations about all cryptocurrencies, best cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bancor, and Ripple, and others. It's so easy. Now we need information about Bitcoin. We should click this button, Info. In this page, we can get information about Bitcoin. So easy. Now, we are living in Kansas, United States. How to buy Bitcoin with easy way. Just one click. Get BTC. Let's go.